Hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz. So, have you ever been to a grocery store such as Big Mart and the cashier asks you if you want a 20-cent plastic bag? Are you familiar with this question? If you say yes, then you already know that Malaysia is involved in a current environmental issue, which is plastic pollution. Plastic is literally embedded in our everyday existence. The production has grown faster over the past 65 years than any other manufactured material. An article in Star said the Malaysian Plastic Manufacturer Association estimate that the average Malaysian use 300 plastic bags a year, which means almost one every day. And it brings the total around 9 billion bags based on a population of 30 million. Plastic bags are difficult and costly to recycle and mostly end up on a landfill site where they take around 300 years to photograph. Plastic do not undergo the natural process of decomposition due to their non-biodegradable properties. Hence, it paves the way to severe environmental pollution, spoil the soil and its fertility. Allow me to explain why plastic bags should be banned. To start off, I'm sure most of you don't realize that plastic bags are harmful to wildlife and marine life. Plastics that are floating in the ocean resemble jellyfish, which are often mistaken for food by sea turtles, and eventually leads to several health issues for these animals such as infection. There are thousands of animals are at risk of injury and death by ingesting or being entangled in plastic bag breakage. For instance, an autopsy has been done on the beach whale and surprisingly 20 square feet of plastic shopping bags have been found that took up its entire mash. In addition, animals such as birds and dolphins are easy to be entangled in plastic waste, which eventually leads them to strangle themselves to death. According to a 2008 study in the journal Environmental Research, about 44% of all seabirds consume plastic, apparently by mistake, sometimes with legal outcomes. Furthermore, plastic bags are also endanger human health. Over the last few decades, humans have dumped tons of plastic garbage into the ocean. Around 500,000 pieces of plastic junk per square kilometer were found in the Atlantic Ocean. Plastic bags have a poisonous compound that strained out of the plastic. Exposure to these chemicals are commonly associated with endocrine disorder, cancers, and weakened immunity. If this process continues for many years, the result will be devastating for human health. Now that you know the issue of plastic bag in your daily life, you may be asking yourself this question. If I can use plastic bag, then how do I bring my groceries home? Plastic bags are not the only option that you have. The best solution to replace plastic bag is recycled paper bag. Unlike plastic, paper bags are 100% recyclable. Paper bags can decompose more quickly than plastic bags. Just imagine, it takes around 300 years for a plastic bag to degrade in a landfill. Paper bags, which are made from wood or recycled wood, are becoming a fast-rising option for plastic bag. Paper bag give less risk of suffocation to animals and children than plastic bags. Therefore, recycled paper bags are environmentally friendly because they save a harsh amount of energy and decompose quickly. According to a 2008 study in the journal Environmental Research, paper bags made of recycle or a hybrid of recycled fiber are a cost-efficient option for non-food packaging application required to carry less weight, such as shoes or clothes. Other than recycled paper bags, you can also use reusable bags. These bags usually come in a simple, sleek design that easy to fold up and bring anywhere. Many reusable bags are made of natural and recyclable materials such as canvas, natural fibers like jute or cotton. Therefore, reusable bags are very practical, durable, and economical. Now imagine, you guys can easily purchase reusable bag with prices around 3 ringgit to 4 ringgit. Isn't it way too cheap compared to every 20 cent that you pay for a single plastic bag every time you shop? This bag can be reused several times before final disposal. Most importantly, it can biodegrade within a short time when disposed into the environment. Now, you might be wondering, what will happen if I stop using plastic bag? What is the effect if I ban plastic bag? So, firstly, it can reduce litter. When plastic bags are banned, they eliminated a major source of litter. A reduction in litter found in storm drain inlets means it takes less work to clean them out, which saves time and money. There is also a less change of flooding due to the storm drain system failing when it is needed. Without any plastic bags floating in the ocean or on the ground, our ocean will become clean. Our current environmental issue, which is plastic waste, will be minimized. Moreover, less plastic litter means there is a less of a threat to animals and their habitats. Hence, we can save thousands of marine species, especially endangered animals like whales, from entanglement and plastic ingestion. Secondly, banning plastic bag can save money. This is because you don't have to pay 20 cents for a single plastic bag when you shop anymore. By eliminating plastic bags, municipalities can also save money by gathering less garbage. There is no need for a private agency such as MBSA, Alam Flora, PKNS to hire several workers to clean public facilities such as drainage, pedestrian, or more. We all know that picking litter can be very expensive and it costs tax money. Hence, banning plastic bag will reduce litter and allow tax money to be redirected to more importantly areas when it is sorely needed. On top of that, since stores have to factor in the cost of their disposable bag into their prices, eliminating plastic bag will cause prices to drop. We shopper can save around 30 ringgit to 60 ringgit at the checkout annually by banning plastic bag. In brief, we have seen how enormous the effect of plastic bags bring to all types of living things on Earth. Although plastic is becoming a big threat for all of us, still this problem has often been overlooked and underestimated. This is because people do not look at the long-term effect of these small, easy-to-carry bags they use in their everyday life. Besides, all of these people keep using bags due to their convenience. Plastic bags only bring us a lot of misfortune which outweigh the purpose of using plastic. Even though you cannot permanently remove the past plastic waste, you can begin practicing to stop using them in the future. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum.